Top 3 hardest job interview question.
Tell me about yourself. Yan yung moment na nagka-brain fog ka, di ba?
Let's fix that. Here are the top 3 hardest interview questions and how you actually answered them with samples and tips. Here's something many don't know. According to LinkedIn, 58% of hiring manager reject candidates because of poor answer to common interview questions. Yung akala mo madali, doon ka pala nadadapa. First, tell me about yourself. Tip, use present, past, future. For example, I'm a customer service representative for a telco account. Before that, I handle retail calls. And now, I want to grow into a leadership role. Second, what's your weakness? Tip, be honest, but show progress. For example, I used to overthink mistakes. But now, I focus on fixing them and moving forward. Lastly, why should we hire you? Tip, think about their pain point and be the solution. For example, you need someone who stays calm under pressure and hit metrics. That's my strength. Interviews aren't about being perfect. They're about showing you know your worth. And if you want a company that values that, Orbital Services is always hiring. So right now, try to win the interview and give your best shot.